Sky, look! Tubig-tubig lang ang game yun. Nalunod ka na.
Okay, let's just put some sunscreen on you first.
Say hi, Shana. Hi, Sky! Gusto mong siya ilagay mo sa stroller? Yeah. Yeah. I'm coming with.
Lagay kaya natin.
Yeah. You put Sky on the stroller, so we will put our stuff. So she can look because it's